Good morning. Welcome to all of you. My name is Isabelle Budin Ljøsne. I'm the chair of the Nordic Committee on Bioethics, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to this conference organized by our committee in collaboration with the Center for Legal Studies in Welfare and Market here at the University of Copenhagen. So the Nordic Committee on Bioethics, which is under the umbrella of Nuforsk, is dedicated to promote Nordic cooperation, exchange of information between a range of stakeholders, such as scientists, parliamentarians, opinion leaders, and public officials in the field of bioethics. Our committee gathers experts from all Nordic countries, and we also have observers from Greenland, Faroe Islands, Åland Islands on a rotating basis. So our committee was established in 1989, and since then, we've been organizing conferences addressing different topics such as genetics, biotechnology, public health, biobanking, biopolitics, environmental and animal ethics, and assisted reproduction, just to give you a few examples. But this year, we decided to organize this conference, addressing ethical challenges of clinical innovation and unproven methods. And why did we decide to do so? Because clinical innovation is critically important to detect, alleviate, and cure diseases. We know that patients are in sore need of new techniques, new treatments, new diagnostics. However, we face the challenge of having to balance between introducing new tools in the clinic and protecting the patients from potential harm when unproven methods are tested. And the challenge is that medicine is not an exact science. Through the centuries, medicine has advanced by trials and errors of physicians and researchers experimenting with treatments and methods. Today, with the emergence of precision medicine, which aims to tailor treatment to the specific needs, biological and genetic needs of a patient, it becomes even more challenging to organize large-scale clinical trials where you can really test your new treatment and methods before it is implemented in the clinic. So how can we make sure that patients have sufficient and equal access to experimental methods? How can we make sure that patients are protected from harm when unproven methods are tested? Who shall make the decisions about when to experiment with a new treatment? And how can we best simultaneously promote clinical innovation and protect patients? So this is what we're going to discuss today and try to address through different speakers' talks. And hopefully we'll come up with some solutions and ways or guidelines. So I hope that you will enjoy this conference. Arna is going to take over, leading the first session. There will be plenty of time for discussion and questions. So this is an open conference. Welcome.